dealing with neck pain, a common thing you'll notice is deficits in your motion. Now, you might not have noticed because you're ignoring these specifically. So we're going to go through a few self-assessments you can do to check the motion of your neck. They're nice and simple. You can do them within the comfort of your own home. Even in the bathroom, anywhere you have a mirror really will be great. So the first one, we're simply testing your neck flexion. And all that means is you're bending forward. So you're trying to bring your chin to your chest, and no cheating by opening your mouth. So I'll show you that from the side as well. Now you should be able to bring your chin at least within 2 finger lengths of your chest. If you can't reach that, we're starting to have a problem. The next thing we're going to do is look at the ability of your neck to extend. All you're doing is looking straight up towards the ceiling. The key here is that you want to be able to get your chin as close to parallel to the ground as possible. If you notice that you're restricted, then again we have an issue. So I'll demonstrate that from the front and again from the side. Next up, we're going to use this clock over here. Now, I'm sure you don't have clocks just drawn throughout your home. This is just to give you an example of, or a frame of reference to how close I want your ear to be to your shoulder. So we're going to check the ability of your neck to flex sideways on both sides. Now, starting in the middle of 12 o'clock, you want to bring your ear towards your shoulder, still relaxing on the opposite side. Now, we're starting at 12. I want you to at least be at 2 o'clock. If you notice that you can't get past 1, then again, we have a problem. And on the other side, we want you to at least be able to get to 10 o'clock. If you can't get past that, then again, we have a problem. So, again, mouth closed, and I'm going to demonstrate to both sides. So an example of a restriction would be if you're stuck at 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock, or even right at noon. The last one we're going to do is have you rotate to either side. Now, the goal is that when you rotate, your chin is parallel to your shoulder. Now, that might not be possible for you, but the key, and I'll show you from the side, is I want the distance between your shoulder and your chin to be no more than 3 finger lengths. If you've noticed that you're stuck with a whole fist or more space in between there, again, you have a motion restriction and we have a problem. How can physical therapy help you? A physical therapist can come in and evaluate you and find not only your big problems that you've already noticed, but very specific problems that you might not notice on your own. Like I'm talking about, like you might not notice that something's happening down at your arm because of what's going on in your neck. A physical therapist will help you evaluate yourself and go through everything that we need to get you back to doing to get you on the right path. Call or click the link below and come on down to Loudoun Sports Therapy Center.